This is the start of the Sports Events Challenge solution. To begin, we're going to create a new repository in my GitHub account, and I'm going to call the repository Sports Events. I'm going to paste in a description of what it is we're creating. I'm going to make this a public repository with a README and a gitignore based on Swift. Once I have the repository created, I'm going to edit the gitignore file and add in the other section .dsstore to be ignored. And then I'm going to commit the changes by saying .dsstore was added to gitignore. I'm going to commit these changes directly to the repository, to the master branch. Then I'm going to clone or download and copy the clone URL. I'm going to open up my terminal, change to where I hold my iOS projects, and I'm going to git clone the repository. So we have now a iOS project repository for sports events. And now I'm ready to create my Xcode project. So I'm going to say create new Xcode project, single view application called sports events. And I'm going to put that in my sports events repository folder. And I'm going to delete my generic view controller. And I'm going to my main storyboard and I'm going to delete the existing view controller. So we're essentially starting with a blank project. I'm going to commit this. Start of sports events project. And I'm going to not only commit this, but push this to my repository to the master branch on GitHub. So now I am finished with the starting point for my project. Each additional thing I do will be on top of this existing project.